guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Ivorine. Most definitely, I'm Ivorine. And you might be wondering, what am I doing at the pool? I am definitely not going in. I'm just walking around and showing you guys like little scenery of the snow. We had snow last night, but most of it is gone right now. Yeah, so I'm just walking around and showing you like what's left and how the place looks the morning after a snowstorm. Yeah, but the weather in North Carolina is bipolar, so we might have snow one day, sunshine the next day, rain, because last night we had snow and rain at the same time. So yeah, so come, let's go look around and see what we see. It's cold. Notice I have my thing on my head, my hoodie on, my jacket, another shirt, my pajamas. It is super cold, so come on, let's go walk around and see how it looks. Hey y'all, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. This is the morning after we had the snow last night, so I'm just walking around. And you might be wondering, what snow? Yeah, that's North Carolina for you. That's North Carolina's weather. But if you look closely, like in the hills right there, the little hill thing, you can see where there's little remnants of snow. And last night about 2 or 3 o'clock, we had like a truck coming in with one of those scraping things, and it scraped like on the road, on the walkway, driveway. So most of that is gone. But it was sunny before. It's still cold, like super cold, but the sun was out, so most of it melted. See, we still have a little left, but it's not as nice and pretty as it was yesterday. And I'm so happy I took the girls out last night, because there would be none for them to play in this morning. See, most of it is now liquefied, it's water, you know, but we still had the experience of being in the snow, and they got to play, and they did a little snowball fight thing. If you were on my live, yeah, you would see it. But you know, this is what is left. This is what is left. I'm just walking around getting some fresh air, and I decided, you know what, let me show you guys what's left of the snow. Most of it is melted, and you know how you see how this is like neatly aligned. I guess this is where the truck pushed it all down, so that's why it's like that. But most of it is gone, and if you're driving on the road, you'll see like little white patches in the bushes, but the road is nice and ready again. Yeah, that's what's left, guys. Here we go, another section. I'm kind of scared to walk here because it looks so slippery, but I hope I don't fall. But we're closer to the pool area. Closer to the pool area. If you look on top of the little building, it's so slippery. It is so slippery. On top of the building, you can see. Ooh! You can see. Oh my goodness. You can see a little ice. This is so slippery. It's scary. I guess that's why we have tracks here. People were walking there instead of on the sidewalk, because it is so slippery. Yeah. Oh. This is no joke. No joke at all. It's so slippery. Okay, I'm out of that part. I'm not going back to any other spot, but as you can see, most of it, it's gone. Yeah, can't make no snowman, nothing. Hey friends, hey, look at that man in the road. So this is the second day after we had the snow, and we're on the road, just Janelle birthday party later, so we're gonna go look a gift for her friend. And while we're doing that, we're just looking if we see any more like clumps of snow on the road or wherever as we drive, because most of it has melted, because we only had that one fall on Friday. Yesterday was sunny, and then today is Sunday, so most of it has melted. But let's go see what we see. Let's go. So my people, as you can see, we saw some snow on the side of the road. Nothing big, nothing much, but it's still there. We are now at the stores, so we're just gonna make a quick run in because it's now after 12. The party starts at 2. It's a little drive and we gotta get home, get something to eat and stuff, so we're not wasting a lot of time. So that's what we're doing right now. I went to bed late last night, so I'm still kind of tired. I need to get my sleeping pattern back on because it's this is not it, and it's messing me up. It's messing me up, but it is what it is. So let's go into this store and see what we can find real quick. We have 2 stores in mind. Hopefully if we find enough in one, we're good, but come on, throat. Let's go. We're here. Janelle is going in with her gift. Chanel is over there with herself. See, ice is all over, just the same. I know there will be. Janelle, why are you walking in the mud like you? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this is where the party is. I'll check back in with you guys when we're on the inside. If there's music, you know, I'll either do a voiceover or you just listen to some music. So be nice. Yes.
Ah, okay.
Hi.
Ana Maria. I'm
okay.
Ana Maria.
Oh.